Hello everyone, welcome to Roni Tuitions Maths as Fun. Today in coordinate geometry, we are going to learn the area of a triangle. That is exercise third in this chapter in the coordinate geometry exercise third. In that how to find the area of a triangle, we are taking a one triangle. Rough sketch we are making a one triangle first. Let it is A, B, C is a triangle. Its vertices is x1 and y1. Its vertices are B vertices are x2 and y2, x2, y2. Then its vertices is x3 and y3. These are the vertices of this one. Let this one we thought. How to find that? You know that area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. In that. So now we are writing half first. Half into base into height. In that only area of a trapezium. To find the area of a trapezium, according to that, first x1 taken. So what remaining here? This x1 taken means this line you think as the subtraction line, means minus, means y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3. Now we taken the plus x2. X2 means what? This is the taken x2 means this line, AC line is there, this line, this side of a triangle, think as this is the minus sign. What will come? Y3 minus y1, y3 minus y1 plus x3 taken, x1, x2, x3. x3 taken means this line. AB is AB line you see na, the side you seeing. That side is the subtraction sign now. So what will come? 1 minus 2. So y1 minus y2, and this is the formula. Now we are taking some questions from the textbook and from the exercise. That is first one. Find the area of trapezium. Find the area of triangles. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are given. Whose vertices are given. In that first one, what is there? First one it is given that vertices 2, 3, 2, 3. Another given B vertices given minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, and C vertices it is given that C vertices is given 2, minus 4. 2, minus 4. These are the three vertices given. This is A vertices, this is B vertices, this is C vertices. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, x3, y3. These vertices given here. We are going to find the area of this given vertices triangles. Now we are writing formula 1 by 2 into x1 into x y2 minus y3 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is our formula. Already it is written here, so we can write here as it is. Now we are keeping the values 1 by 2 into x1 value, this is the x1 value 2 into y2, this is y2 0 minus formula minus y3 is equal to what? Minus 4 plus x2 value what? Minus 1 into y3 value what? Y3 is equal to minus 4 minus y1 value what? Y1 value is a minus 3 is that 3 plus x3 value what? 2 into y1 value what? Y1 value is the 3 minus formula minus y2 value what? 0 and hence it is bracket closed. Now we are solving the first brackets. So 1 by 2 into 2 into 0 minus into minus plus 0 plus 4 plus minus 1 written as it is minus 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 7 plus 2 written 3 minus 0 is equal to 3 only written. Next 1 by 2 into 2 into 4, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 only. Then this will become the minus into minus plus 7 1 ja 7 plus 2 3 ja 6, multiplication done and written. So 1 by 2 into 2 4 ja 8 plus 7 plus 6. Now 7 plus 8 plus 7 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. 1 by 2 into 21 means we can write 21 by 2 square unit, and area is always measured in square unit only, square unit. The answer of this question of this triangle is 21 by 2 square unit. We are taking that another question, that is the sum number B part in that. What given in that? Find the area of triangle whose vertices given. So what vertices given here? Vertices given here -5, -1. B question it is. First main B1 -5, -1. Then x1 y1 given it is. X2 y2 are given -3, -5. This is the x2 y2. Next given it is 5, 2. C vertices, that is 5, 2, or means x3 y3 it is given. We are writing the first formula. This is the x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. We are writing formula. So what is formula? 1/2 into x1 into y2 minus y3. Then x2 into y3 minus y1, then plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula. We are substituting the value of this one. Now 1/2 into x1. x1 value is what? -5. Into y2. y2 value what? -5. Minus y3 value what? 2. y2 value is 2. Plus x2. x2 value is the 3. Into y3 value is the 2, minus y1 value is -1, so -1, in plus x3 value what? 5. y1 is equal to what? -1, minus y2 value what? -5. Bracket closed. Done. Now we are solving first brackets. Then what will come? 1/2 into -5 minus 2 is equal to -7. -7 written, plus 3 written as it is, 2 minus into minus plus 1, plus 5 as it is written, into -1 minus into minus plus 5 written, bracket closed. Now solving the next. 1/2 into -5 into -7 is equal to 35, plus 35, minus into minus plus. Okay, next this one become 3 into 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, then this will become plus 5 into plus 5 minus 1 is equal to plus 4 into plus 4. So they written that one. 1/2 into 35 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 5 4s are 20. Like this written. So 1/2 into this 35 plus 20 is equal to 55. 55 plus 9 is equal to 64. So 2 1s are 2, 2 32s are. So 32 square unit of this area of this triangle. We are taking the second main. Second main question says that find the value of k. Find the value of k if the points are the collinear. In each of the case, for which the points are collinear. Now first we have to understand what is the collinear. Collinear means if a line, here written, find the value of k in which points are collinear. Collinear means what? It is a line. In that line, it is A and B line segment. In that line segment, if another point C is on this line only, then C is called the collinear. C is called the collinear. It is the point. Point C is the collinear because on this line only. If the points are collinear, then the area of a triangle is always 0. Because of it is not form any triangle, it is a straight line only, straight line segment. If the points are collinear, the area of a triangle will be the 0. Let's taking in that one. First question number 1. In that it is given that 3 vertices given 7, -2, and another vertices given 5, 1, and third vertices given 3, k. These are the 3 given. Now if these 3 given means if it is form the triangle, then some area will come. But it is asked, already it is said that it is the collinear. So area of a triangle is what? 0. Area of a triangle what? 0. So here we are writing, if the points, this is the star I kept and I written, if the points are collinear, then area of a triangle will be 0. Why? Because of the lines are collinear. It is only one line, so it won't form the triangle only. Let's finding this one. So what will come in that? Doing this question, finding the answer of this one. So it is written that suppose that these are the given. So we are finding the area. First writing the formula for the area. So half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1, then plus x3 into what? Y1 minus y2 is equal to what? Is equal to will be 0. Why? Because of points are collinear given. In that points given the collinear. Now we are keeping the values into it. So what is the values in that given? Values given here 1 by 2 as it is written into written x1 value given the 7 into y2 value given the 1 minus y3 value given the k plus x2 value is 5 into y3 value given the here k minus y1 value given the minus 2 plus x3 value given the 3 into y1 value is given the minus 2 minus y2 value given 1 and close equal to 0 it is comes. Now we are solving this bracket. So what remaining here? 1 by 2 into 7 into 1 minus k as it is written plus this one 5 into k minus into minus plus 2 happen, then plus 3 into minus 2 and minus 1 is equal to minus 3 is equal to what? 0. Then what? X by 2 into 7 into 1 7 minus 7 into k 7k plus 5 into k 5k plus 5 into 2 10, then plus into minus 3 into 3 is equal to 9 is equal to what? 0 is equal to what? 0. Now let's writing 1 by 2 into first 7 plus 10 plus 17 minus 9 is equal to 8 So 8 minus 7k and 5k is equal to 2k 7k minus 5k is equal to 2k is equal to what? 0. Now we can write it multiplying by the 1 by 2 both side, this otherwise this number will go that side, or take the common, it will be the same. So 1 by 2 into take the common 2 in that, what remaining? 4 minus k is equal to what? 0. This 2 cancel. So what we got? 4 minus k is equal to 0, or minus k is equal to this number will go that side, then it will become the minus 4. Minus cancel. K is equal to what we got? 4. The value of k is the 4 in that. Hence, let's checking the another question, B question in that. That is the question number B in that, finding the value of k in that. So vertices given 8, 1, k minus 4, 2 minus 5. This is given. So we are writing first formula. So what is that? The area of a triangle formula is equal to 0 if its the points are the collinear. So why we are writing 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to what? Is equal to will be 0. Why? Because of we are going to find the value of k, and already it is said that yeah, it has the points are collinear. Now written 1 by 2 into x1 value is 8 into y2 value is what? Minus 4 minus y3 value what? Minus 5 plus x2 value is what? K into y3 value what? Minus 5 minus y1 value what? Y1 value is 1 plus x3 value what? 2 into y1 value is 1 minus y2 value is what? Minus 4 is equal to what? 0 is equal to 0. Now we are writing it, solving it. 1 by 2 into 8, this will become the minus 4 minus into minus plus minus 4 plus 5 plus this one become the k into minus 5 minus 1 is equal to minus 6 plus 2 into 1 minus into minus plus 4 is equal to what? Is equal to 0. Then we can write 1 by 2 into this one 8 into 5 plus 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Then this one written k into minus 6 is equal to minus 6k. Then this one 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Then 2 into 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 into 5 then is equal to what? Is equal to 0. Then we can write it like this, 1 by 2 into 8 1 ja 8, then minus 6 into k 6k plus 5 2 ja 10 is equal to what? 0. Now in that also we can write it like this, 1 by 2 into plus 10 plus 8 is equal to 18 minus 6k is equal to what? Is equal to 0. We can take the 2 common in that. We can take the 2 common. 1 by 2 into 2. What remaining here? 9 minus 3k is equal to what remaining? 0. This 2 cancel. So we got 9 minus 3k is equal to 0. Then minus 3k is equal to minus 9. Minus 9. Minus minus cancel. K is equal to what? 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So we got k is equal to 3. K is equal to 3 we got. Now we are going to the third question in this exercise, and that question is said that find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle whose vertices are this. Find the ratio of this triangle to the area of the given triangle. Area of the given triangle. Now we are going to find that one. Now in that it's saying that one triangle is there. It is a one triangle. This is a rough sketch of a triangle we made. This triangle A, B, C. The vertices. Find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are. So these are the vertices 0, 1, and this is become the 2, 1, and this is the 0, 3. These are what? Midpoint. Suppose that it is the midpoint here, it is the midpoint here, it is the midpoint here. This I denote the, suppose that P, and this is the Q, and this is R, midpoint. We are joining it now. We joined it like this. So this we got the triangle like this. Now find the ratio of this triangle. This triangle also area of this triangle into and another one triangle. This one PQR. PQR triangle. Now we have to find the first, what are the vertices of P, what are the vertices of Q, what are the vertices of R. Now you know that one. P is the midpoint. So we are using the midpoint formula for finding the P vertices. So finding the P purpose, X, Y and Y. So P X by first x1 I am finding. What is that? X2 plus x1 by 2. So what I can got? X is equal to what we got here. Here purpose x, I denoted it x and y. X comma y. Okay, this I can take x1 y1. Otherwise you can write the x2 y2. Here writing x3 y3. So this is x1. I laid the x1. So what is the x1? So here x1 is that x2 is equal to 2 plus x1 is equal to 0 by 2. Y, what I can get? Y2 plus y1 by 2. Then y I can get the y is equal to what? 2 plus minus 1 is equal to, this is the y2. Y2 is equal to 2, 1. Y2, this is y2 is equal to 1 and y1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So x is equal to what we got? X1 is equal to, x is equal to what? 0, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. We got here 1 point, we got 1, and this side we got, it will become the 1 plus into minus minus by 2 is so 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 by 2 is equal to 0. So we got 1 and comma 0. P vertices, P points we got. P we got, what we got? P 1, 0. Now we are finding the Q. Q purpose finding. So what is the Q in that? In that Q finding purpose, it is the midpoint of the BC. It is the midpoint of the BC. Midpoint of BC. Q is midpoint of BC. So we are finding what? X is equal to what? X2 plus X1 by 2, and Y is equal to what? Y2 plus Y1 by 2. By 2. Now what is the x in that? X2. X2 in that, x2 is equal to 0, 0 plus x1 is equal to here 2 by 2, and y side we got, that is the 3 plus 1 by 2. So what we got? We got x is equal to 2 by 2 and y is equal to 4 by 2. Means x is equal to 2 by 2 means what? 1, and y is equal to 4 by 2 means 2. Y is equal to 2. So we got Q points, we got what? 1, 2. 1, 2. Now we are finding the R points. Points of the R. So here like the same only, R is equal to, x is equal to what? X2 plus x1 by 2, because of Q is, R is the midpoint of because R is the midpoint. R is the midpoint of AC. R is the midpoint of AC. So we can write the x is equal to x2 plus x1 by 2, midpoint formula. So what is that x2? X2 is that in that 0 plus x1 value is the 0 by 2, x is equal to, then x is equal to, we got x is equal to 0 by 2 is equal to 0 only. X is equal to, we got the 0. Now y is equal to what? Y2 plus y1 by 2. Then y is equal to what? Y is equal to, in that given 3 and 3 plus minus 1 by 2. So y is equal to what will come? 3 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So we got the R point, we got the 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1. Now it is asking after this one, find the area of the both triangle and then ratio. So we are going to, we are finding the area of both triangle first. So first area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC finding. Area of triangle ABC. What are the vertices given in that? Vertices in that ABC vertices given that 0 comma 1, 0 comma minus 1, and another vertices given 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1, and third vertices given in that 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3. Now this is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Now we are writing formula by finding the area of triangle ABC. So what is the area of triangle ABC? 1 by 2 into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, this one. So we are finding the area of that one. So 1 by 2 into x1 value is what? 0, 0 into y2 value what? 1 minus y3 is equal to 3 plus x2 value is 2 into y3 what? Y3 is equal to 3 minus y1 is equal to minus 1 plus x3 value what? X3 value is 0 into y1 value what? Y1 value is the minus 1 minus y2 value is the 1, is bracket close, into, so this number 0 multiply any number 0 will come, plus this number, this also will be the 0, this also will be the 0, plus 0 only. This number we are writing 2 into 3 minus into minus plus 1. So what we can write? 1 by 2 into 0 plus 2 into 4, 3 plus 1 4 in plus 0. Then 1 by 2 into 8 into 8. Now 2 4 is 8 and 0 0 0 only. So this will become the 4 square unit. What become? 4 square unit. 4 square unit. Now we are finding area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle. Area of triangle PQR. So what are the vertices we got? Vertices we got the 4 in that. Vertices we got 1 comma, P vertices got 1 comma 0, Q vertices we got that 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, and R vertices we got 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1. We got these vertices. Now we are writing formula for this also, and we are finding the area of this one. Then we are finding the ratio. So the area of that what? Half into x1 into y2 minus y1 y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1, then plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This we go written the formula. Now we are substituting in that. x1 value is what? 1 into y2 is equal to 2 minus y3 0 plus x2 value is 1 into y3 is value 1 minus y1 value is 0 plus x3 value is 0 into y1 value is what? 0 minus y2 value is what? 2, bracket close. Now we are solving it. 1 by 2 into 1 into 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 plus 1 into 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Okay, and this is the 0 multiplied any number 0, then what will come? 0 only. No need to solve it. We are writing it 1 by 2 into 1 into 2 2 plus 1 into 1 1. Now we are going to write next one. Sorry, 1 minute. sorry, here 1, here it is the y3 means here it is the value is 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 only. Sorry for that. So it is become the 1 plus 1. Next what it can we got 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 2. We cancel it, it become the 1 square unit. 1 square unit it become. The ratio asked. Ratio means the area of triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR by area of triangle ABC is equal to what? 1 by 4 means 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4 ratio of that it is comes. 1 is to 4 ratio of that one. Next we are taking the next question, and that is the question number in that fourth one, question number 4. So what says question number 4? Question number 4 says in that, find the area of a quadrilateral whose vertices are taken in order this are there. In one quadrilateral given it is. This is a this is our quadrilateral. Simply randomly sketch it is. It is A, it is B, it is C, it is D. So vertices A given in that -4, -2. Vertices B given -3, -5. -3, -5. Vertices C given 3, -2. And vertices D given 2, 3. And we have to find the area of this quadrilateral. To find the area of this quadrilateral, we suppose that we have to draw one diagonal in that. So it will divide into two triangles. So let we draw the triangle in that we made the one diagonal, we draw like this. AC is a diagonal drawn. AC is a diagonal drawn in that. Diagonal it is. AC. Now this is a one triangle, this is the another triangle. So first we are finding the area of triangle ABC, then we are finding the area of the triangle ACD, and then we will add it, then that will be the area of a quadrilateral. Let's proceeding it. So first one, area of triangle ABC we are finding, that is the first area of this triangle. So what we are writing formula first, 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1, then plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This formula written. So substituting the values from here only. So 1 by 2 into x1, suppose that this is x1 now, our -4 bracket y2, this is the y2, this is y3, y2 -5 minus y3 -2 plus x2 value is what, -3 into y3 this is the y3 -2 minus y1 value is the 2 plus x3 value is the 3 into y1 value is the 2 minus y2 value is the -5 done. Now 1 by 2 into this one first, -4 into -5 minus into minus plus 2 plus -3 into -2 is equal to -4 plus 3 into 2 minus into minus plus 5 bracket close. Now solving again, 1 by 2 into -4 -5 plus 2 is equal to -3 plus minus into minus plus 3 4s are 12 plus 3 into 2 plus 5 7 bracket close. 1 by 2 into 3 2 4s are 12 plus 12 plus 7 3s are 21. So we got that here 1 by 2 into this 24 and 21. How much? 24 plus 21 is equal to 45 means 45 by 2 square unit we got the answer for this triangle one. Now we are proceeding to triangle second one. So triangle second one, so what is the triangle second one? Triangle second one, we got the area of triangle ACD, area of triangle ACD. What the vertices given? Vertices we got here. Suppose that this is A only, -4, 2, and another one it is given the 3 comma minus 2, another vertex is given the 2 comma 3, and we are finding the area of this one. So first writing formula 1 by 2 into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1, then plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Formula written. Now we are keeping the values. 1 by 2 into x1 value what? X1 value is minus 4. Minus 4. Y2 value what? Y2 value is y2 is minus 2. Minus 3. 3. Plus x2 value what? 3. Into y3 is equal to 3. Minus y1 is equal to 2. Plus x3 value is 2. Into y1 value is the 2. Minus y2 is equal to minus 2. And bracket close. Solving the bracket, 1 by 2 into minus 4 into minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5. Plus 3 written as it is. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Plus 2 written. 2 minus into minus plus 2. Bracket close done. 1 by 2 into minus 4 into minus 5 is equal to 20 plus 20. Plus 3 1s are 3. Plus the 2 into 2 plus 2 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Now we can write 1 by 2 into this one. It will equal to 31. 20 plus 11 is equal to 31. 31. Then we got the 31 by 2. Now we are square unit. Now it is asked the area of a quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is what? Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. So what is the got area of triangle ABC? That time we got the area of triangle ABC, we got 1 area of triangle, we got the 45 by 2. 45 by 2 plus area of triangle ACD we got 31 by 2. So what will become? It become the 76 by 2. 45 plus 31 is equal to 76 is equal to what? Here become the 338 square unit, and hence the area of this quadrilateral is 38 square unit. Now last question of this exercise. Please like the video, share the video, and forward it to the another your friends so that they can also help it out. Subscribe the channel. You have studied in class 9 chapter 9 example number 3, that is the medians. Median divide a triangle into 2 equals. That a median of a triangle divides it into 2 triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are this one. This is a one triangle given in that. This is a one triangle. It is A, B, C. Sketch of that one. A vertex is given 4 comma minus 6. B vertex is given 3 comma minus 2. C vertex is given here 5 comma 2. Now it is saying that we draw a one median we have to draw. I draw a one median from A to on is BC, and this is the point the D I draw. That is the median. Median means it is the midpoint of that one. Now we have to verify this. First we have to find out the coordinates of the D. Then we have to find the area of triangle ABD and then area of triangle ACD. Let's finding first coordinates of D. D coordinates. Let AD is a median. So now D is the midpoint. D is midpoint on BC. So what we can write? X is equal to, we can write formula for midpoint formula, x2 plus x1 by 2, and y is equal to y2 plus y1 by 2. Here we are seeing only this point, this one. This is the x1, y1, x2, y2. Now x is equal to what? X2 is equal to what? 5 plus x1 3 by 2, and y is equal to what? Y2 is equal to 2 plus y1 is equal to what? Minus 2 by 2. Then x is equal to what? We come 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 by 2, and y is equal to what? We come 2 plus into minus only 2 minus 2 by 2. Then x is equal to, we got 8 by 2 means 4 and y is equal to we got 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, 0 by 2 is equal to 0 only. So x is equal to 4 we got. So coordinates of D we got what got 4 comma 0, 4 comma 0. Now let's we are finding the area of the triangle ABD first. ABD. It is whether the area is equal or not. So finding the area of first triangle, area of triangle ABD. Now what are the coordinates? Coordinates of ABD. So A coordinates of A is 4 comma 6, 4 comma minus 6. Then B vertices are the 3 comma 2, 3 comma minus 2, and the D of D are there. A, B, D. D we got the 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. We are finding the area of this one. So first we are writing the formula 1 by 2 into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. We written it. Now we are substituting the values. 1 by 2 into x1 value what? 4 into y2 value what? Minus 2 minus y3 is equal to 0 plus x2 value is 3 into y3 is equal to 0 minus y1 is equal to minus 6 plus x3 value is 4 y1 is equal to what? Minus 6 minus y2 value is minus 2. We kept it 1 by 2 into 4 into minus 2 and minus 0 is equal to that same only minus 2 only plus 3 into 0 minus into minus plus 6 plus 4 into minus 6 minus into minus plus 2 bracket close. We can write it 1 by 2 into 4 to the 8 minus 8. This we can write plus 0 plus 6 3 is 18 plus this one write minus 6 plus 2 is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 into 4 is equal to minus 16. So here minus 16. We can write 1 by 2 into minus 8 plus 18 minus 16. So we can write in that. So it will become the 1 by 2 into what remaining? Minus 16 minus 8 is equal to minus 24. 24 minus 18 means it will become the minus 6. Minus 6. So what we got? This cancelled. We got the minus 3 square unit. And area cannot be the negative. So it we are taking as that 3 square unit only. Because of area cannot be in the negative. Area cannot be negative. Area cannot be negative. Now we are taking area of the another triangle. Area of triangle. What is the name of that one? A, then C, and then D. ACD. This one triangle. In that here. ACD. Now what are the vertices of that ACD? The vertices of ACD is vertices of A is the already same. That is the 4 comma minus 6. C, vertices of C is in that given it is 5 comma 2 and D vertices we got that time. What was the D? 4 comma 0 here it is 4 comma 0 we got. Now we are finding that. We are writing the formula first. So 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now substituting these values into this. Please keep on liking the video and share the video to your friends. 1 by 2 into x1 what? X1 is the 4. y2 value what? 2 minus y3 value what? 0 plus x2 value is what? 5 into y3 value is 0 minus y1 value is minus 6 plus x3 value what? 4 into y1 value minus 6 minus y2 value is the 2 bracket close. We can write it like this 1 by 2 into 4 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 only plus 5 into 0 minus into minus plus 6 it will become plus 4 as it is minus 6 or minus 2 is equal to minus 8. We can write it like now we can write in this way also. This one 1 by 2 into 4 into 2 is equal to 8 plus 5 into 6 is equal to 30 plus 4 into 8 32 minus 32, that is 32. Now we can write in that way. So this will become 1 by 2 into minus 32, this will become the 38 minus 32. Then 1 by 2 into 38 minus 32 is equal to 6, and we can cancel it. So this will become the 3 square unit. Now we see backside also, that came the 3 square unit. That also came 3 square unit, and this also 3 square unit. Hence it is proved. Means area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle what? ACD. We learned that median divide the triangle into 2 equal areas, and hence it is proved, and exercise also completed. Please like the video, share the video. Thank you.